Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today we're diving into an essential part of Hebrew, numbers. But did you know that in Hebrew, even numbers have gender? That's right. Just like nouns, Hebrew numbers are either masculine or feminine, depending on what they are counting. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to count in Hebrew, but you also understand how to use numbers correctly in everyday conversation. Before we start counting, let's talk about gender. Hebrew assigns a gender to most words, including numbers. This means that when counting objects, you need to match the number to the correct gender of the noun you're counting. For example, if you're counting books, which is masculine, you need to use the masculine form of the number. If you're counting notebooks, which is feminine, you must use the feminine form of the number. Alright, now let's learn to count from 1 to 10 in both masculine and feminine forms. 1. Male. Echad. 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 To say one boy, you would say ילד אחד. ילד אחד. One female. אחת. 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 To say one girl, you would say ילדה אחת. ילדה אחת. 2. Male. שניים. 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 Now specifically for the number 2, we say 2 off. For example, to say 2 apples, you would say שני תפוחים. שני 2 off. תפוחים. The number 2 to describe females is שתיים. 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 Here as well, we say 2 off. שתי. To say 2 dolls, we would say שתי בובות. שתי 2 off. בובות. The number 3 to describe males is שלושה. 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 To say 3 underwear, you would say שלושה תחתונים. שלושה תחתונים. The number 3 to describe females is שלוש. 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 To say 3 shirts, say שלוש חולצות. שלוש חולצות. The number 4 for males is ארבעה. 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 To say 4 trees, say ארבעה עצים. ארבעה עצים. The number 4 for females is ארבע. ארבע. To say 4 stores, say ארבע חנויות. ארבע חנויות. The number 5 for males is חמישה. 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 To say 5 streets, say חמישה רחובות. חמישה רחובות. The number 5 for females is חמש. 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 To say 5 plates, say חמש צלחות. חמש צלחות. The number 6 for males is שישה. 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 To say 6 movies, say שישה סרטים. שישה סרטים. The number 6 for females is שש. שש. To say 6 cups, say שש כוסות. שש כוסות. The number 7 for males is שבעה. 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 To say 7 sentences, say שבעה משפטים. שבעה משפטים. The number 7 for females is שבע. 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 To say 7 words, say שבע מילים. שבע מילים. The number 8 for males is שמונה. 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 To say 8 books, say שמונה ספרים. שמונה ספרים. The number 8 for females is שמונה. 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 To say 8 letters, say שמונה אותיות. שמונה אותיות. The number 9 for males is תשעה. 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 To say 9 bottles, say תשעה בקבוקים. תשעה בקבוקים. The number 9 for females is תשע. 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 To say 9 cookies, say תשע עוגיות. תשע עוגיות. The number 10 for males is עשרה. 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 To say 10 houses, say עשרה בתים. עשרה בתים. The number 10 for females is עשר. 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 To say 10 fingers, say עשר אצבעות. עשר אצבעות. Now, let's practice using some of these numbers in real-life sentences. To say, I have one book, say, יש לי ספר אחד. יש לי ספר אחד. יש, there is, לי, to me, ספר, a book, אחד, one, singular male. To say, I ate 2 apples, say, אכלתי 2 תפוחים. אכלתי 2 תפוחים. אכלתי, I ate, 2 of, תפוחים, apples. To say, I bought 3 chairs, say, קניתי 3 כיסאות. קניתי 3 כיסאות. קניתי, I bought, 3 כיסאות, chairs. To say, we ate 4 bananas, say, אכלנו 4 בננות. אכלנו 4 בננות. אכלנו, we ate, 4 בננות, bananas. For your convenience, on the next 2 slides, you will find the numbers from 1 to 10 for both masculine and feminine forms. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.